guys, Mad Gamer here. That's right, I've changed my profile name on YouTube. So if you have any questions, that's what's gonna be. I'm gonna go ahead and just start on this. But we're starting out with 3 lives. And while I'm playing, I just want to tell y'all a couple things. For one, I might or I might not be doing the Q&A because I'm gonna probably have a busy weekend because I'm going over to a friend's house. I might record some, I might not. Go ahead and tilt the screen a little bit, and of course I'm gonna die. But I hope this video makes up from yesterday, cause I was just really tired. I was like dead out whenever I got back to my house. So yeah, hope this makes up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to play that new game, Dipe.io or Dipo, whatever it's called, because it does really slow connecting, or I might just have to connect my own hotspot to this computer to be able to play. But I'm not quite too sure, and I really don't care if I'm dying right now, because I'm just going through gameplay, telling y'all a couple things. And that's one of the main things. Why is it not focusing? But other than that, no. What the crap was that? One last live. I might do probably -5 lives and I'm gonna be done. Yeah, I'm not tired. Wait for that to get there. And that's a failed attempt. I'm gonna go ahead and unleash the star and get killed by, well, I guess falling, not the star. That's what I was planning on. But I've just been having a lot going on, guys. I'm really sorry about all that. I've just been real busy. And if y'all are wondering what website I'm playing this on, it's called flashgamingweekly.com/Camario. This video is pretty much sponsored by that. But as I said yesterday, I hope this makes up for that video from yesterday. Because like I was dead tired and I did not want to post anything. Come on, chill the bar. There we go. I kind of tensed up there a little bit. And I might be playing a little bit on my tablet because I got charging up right now because it's completely dead, and I hope that, please don't tell me I said, okay. There we go. Camario. I wonder why Camario's being so generous. There's no telling. Okay, I'm at -1. Remember guys, I'm going to -5 and I'm done. Yeah. One thing I figured out about this level, you have to hit the question mark to be able to... No, that glitched. Not really much of a glitch, but still. Why didn't jump? Do you know how to freaking jump? Get all the lag out. Oh, bull crap, it probably touched my ear. There we go. Nuh-uh. You can't do that. Do I have to stay there? No, that was a lag. I'm trying one more time. You see that? That's a lag. And in my next video, I'm probably going to be posting tips on how to keep, like, Xbox 360 games clean. Because that's the reason why I can't play WWE. Okay, from last time, that block does not work. There we go. There we go. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it made up from yesterday's. As I said, the next video is gonna be on how to keep, like, Xbox 360 games clean and the death circle. I'll show that in the next video. So, as I said, I will be possibly posting videos. I'm not quite too sure. Give me just a second. So yeah, as you can see, this is my tablet, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be able to do anything off of it. But it is touchscreen. See that little white button there? That's a picture of my sister's class, but it has a weird charger to it. But only way I'm gonna be able to play games off of it is if I get Windows 10, and that's gonna take up a lot of freaking storage. So that's one of the things I want to talk to you guys about. So like, subscribe, and peace out.